So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel. Many of you have asked how do we generate credit note in case we make a wrong invoice. So I'm going to take you through on how to generate this credit note. So what you do in this kind of UTR, you'll need to clear, let the EOD summary come out. So once you've made an error in printing the wrong invoice and you want to cancel it out with a credit note, you'll simply have to you need to press shift button, the shift button, then you come to CN/DN, meaning credit note / debit note. You press shift credit note / debit note. So if you press here, you will see it will give you the option of either one is the credit note and the next one is the debit note. So if you want the debit note, it's either you press 1 for the credit note or 2 for the debit note. Since you want to generate the credit note, you will press 1. So once you press 1, then you press total. It will give you the go ahead to input the invoice number that you want to cancel. So here you will go check on your ETR. You'll go open up your ETR where the invoice number is. Let me check on this if you have an invoice number. So in this one we don't have an invoice number. So you will come and take an invoice like this one, and you will need to press in the invoice number. As you can check, you can see the invoice number 043 040 40 90 blah 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 up to 173. So this is the exact kind of number that you need to input in the ETR so that you can be able to cancel this invoice which has been processed wrongly. So you will come on your machine. Will come on your machine. Very nice. Come on your machine. Then you will press the invoice number 043. But you see, when you press the whole number, there's a challenge since it's not recording the whole number. So whatever you need to do, you'll just need to clear first, become 0, then you input the invoice number, which is actually, if you check on this invoice, you can see the invoice number is 04300, but the invoice number is at the end of it all. It's written 173. So 173 is what you use to create this credit note for this invoice. So you'll come, press 173, and once you press 173, you press total button. You press the total button. This will be able to, immediately you press the total button, you will see that the receipt will pop out, and it will indicate it's a credit note at the top. So that's as simple as that. That's how you create a credit note for an invoice that you want to cancel. Keep subscribing as we teach each other more. Adios.